Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So if you guys watched my Puerto Rico vlog, you saw that I took off all my nails while I was there. So I didn't have nails for about 2 weeks and I really let my nails breathe and I took care of them really well. I was gonna leave them natural for a little bit longer, but I couldn't do it. So this is what I was doing for those 2 weeks as a DIY manicure, and I wanted to show you guys. This is pretty much what I do when I have natural nails for a little bit out of the year. Usually I take a couple days or a week or so to have natural nails, and I do a little manicure when I do. So I start off by taking any nail polish that was there. I had clear on, and then you want to use a natural nail file. You don't want to use like the big ones that they use on acrylic nails. They're too strong and harsh on your natural nails. So I use one of these from a little kit that I received in PR, and I'll leave the info for that down below. It's so cute. It comes with a nail file, nail protector, and clear nail polish. So I go into the buffing side. I buff the nails and everything. Then we're gonna do the little spa part, loosening the cuticles, and I have a bowl of warm water. I just added some strawberries for just the look of it for the video, but you could put something in there that's actually good for your nails. I'm putting some essential oil as well as some actual body oil and cuticle oil, and just gonna mix that up. And this is really going to help moisturize the cuticles and soften everything so that you can push back your cuticles and work on perfecting your nail beds and all that. So I pretty much just let my hands sit in here for a few minutes on and off. It's a little bit easier if you're not doing it yourself because you can work on one hand and leave the other one in. But just watch something for a few minutes and leave your hands in there. If the water is warm, it feels relaxing. Or put something on your phone, and it's just really nice to take this time to reflect. Think about what you're grateful for. You know, just think about how you're practicing self-care and taking care of yourself. So I'm just gonna let my hands sit in there, and then I'm going to take that oil that's in the water and start rubbing that into my cuticles and my hands, give myself a little hand massage, and just really enjoy this process. So this part might seem weird, but I'm telling you it works. So this is when I go in with some toothpaste, and whitening toothpaste is the best. This is especially good if you have yellow nails from wearing. This is especially good if you have darkened or yellowed nails from wearing nail polish. When you have your natural nails and you wear nail polish on top without a base coat, you tend to get yellowing or staining from the nail polish. Using a toothpaste actually does brighten up your nails. It cleans them really well, and it actually feels really good. Make sure you're using a toothbrush that's only for this and not something that actually goes in your mouth. Now I'm going to dry my hands and go in with cuticle oil, and then I'm going to apply a strengthening base coat to my nails. This is obviously going to protect your nails from when you apply your nail polish, as well as strengthen and make your nails harder and grow faster, all that good stuff. And this is part of that kit as well. Like I said, I will leave it down below for you guys. So after my base coat dries, I'm going to go in with my nude nail polish. Just went in and painted my nails with my favorite nude nail polish. You can see is by OPI. I love their nude colors. They're my favorites. So I went and applied a coat of that. I like to do 2 coats. The first coat, I do a light coat and I make sure I get every part of the nail and I get very precise. And then the second coat, I kind of do more towards the center of the nail to really give that color the opacity without going all outside my nail. Then once you've painted them, your final coats, I like to go in with some acetone and a little brush and really perfect the shape. This is going to give it that really nice manicured salon look and get away any of that, nail polish that got on your skin. It just gives it a nice clean look. So like I said, once I've painted my nails with their final coat, I will go again with the acetone and just clean up any mistakes I made again, just to really give it a nice, perfect, clean look. It really makes a difference. I promise you, you can get it really, really nice and clean. It almost makes the nail polish look like gel polish because it'll be so perfectly shaped to your nail. And it's a step you don't want to not take. Even if you use an old makeup brush or even if you use a Q-tip, something to do this step, I promise it makes a difference. And then of course, to finish off, we're going to go in with our clear top coat. Of course, if you can use something strengthening again or a gel top coat to, make it last even longer, definitely do that. But remember, if you're going to use regular nail polish and then a gel top coat on top, you want to make sure that the regular nail polish fully dries, because then you'll end up with a mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my DIY manicure. This is what I do when I have natural nails. It makes such a difference. Sometimes you do have to do this quite often, but if you use gel nail polish, this will last you at least 2 weeks. Oh, and then of course, when I'm fully done and everything's dry, I do go back in with more cuticle oil to finish off the look so that the nails look really nice and polished clean, because all that acetone, again, you want to add that moisture back because the acetone removes it. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This would be a really nice manicure for a wedding day, or even if you're in the wedding. I think it looks really beautiful, and any color just will look amazing. So hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay glam. Bye.